Coming out pretty good right now. But ain't heard no thunder yet. Here it's actually kind of cool. Feels good actually. Anyway, praise God. We don't need the rain actually. We're beyond rainfall normal. You know, we're beyond the drought, I should say. I'm glad about that. Yeah, winds are really kicking up. Our street sign's getting blown around pretty good. Look at those flags, wow. One thing I couldn't do in New Jersey was videotape from the front because of, well, let's see, a storm's coming from the northwest. What was that? Comes from the northwest, so, from the west, so. Our house faced northwest, so it isn't the best place to videotape the parking rainstorm or a thunderstorm for that matter. Hey, wait, it's the first day of May. I thought this would be nice. Oh, well, April showers bring May flowers. I didn't know about those. Oh, well. Praise God. Oh, well. Yeah, it doesn't look like that bad of a storm because it's almost over with, actually. It's moving like 40 miles an hour. Yeah, it's a very fast-moving storm. I would not go out in this rain. Anyway, praise God. Surprised there's no thunder. Looks like the rain about ended. No, it's a fast-moving storm. It's trying to clear up. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, trying to break up. Look how fast some of those lower scud clouds fast it's moving. Wow. Anyway, it's starting to let up. So. Yeah, it's almost over with. It's a fast-moving storm. Surprised we can get any thunder out of it, really. Heavy rain, wind, but no thunder. It might be one of those kind of storms where the thunder is after the heavy stuff. I've seen that before. The rain and the winds, then it starts thundering. And it starts going eastward too. Oh well, praise God. It is heading eastward. I guess it's mainly over then. Praise God.